Okay, we got something pretty easy for you guys to do today. Real simple for an easy woodworking project. Is a little planter stand right here, and of course you put your little plant on top of it. You can set these on porches at different places. So we're always trying to make something as easy as possible so you can learn, especially your beginners, and you guys can follow along and do some of these projects and you know, maybe share with other people. Okay, let's go ahead and get started because we have to go and cut some of these little 2x4s, cut them up, and we'll show you guys how to build it. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is cut some 12-inch boards. Well, I actually have this in here already marked. I'm going to cut them 12 inches long. We need about 5 of these. Just lay one right up on top of the other and use it as a marker. Bring your next one. Okay, we have a few cut here. Let's go ahead and take them over to the saw and cut them down the side. Okay, what we want to do is cut these down to 2.5 inches. So, I put a board here in the back just to kind of steady the project because it's going to go, these up here, it's going to go back up against it like this. So I can kind of hold on to it. I normally do that with a lot of things, just kind of hold the projects, the things I'm doing. And then you could do it this way. I have an old square around here somewhere, and I did used to use it. I don't know what it did with it, but we use it for just putting like this right here in the back. And what I'll do, I'll just stick it right here on the edge, and I'm going to use it as a square to help me. I'll put a clamp on it here, nice and tight. So if you want to make something, you know, a little bit a square, it'd be nice just to make something that you can put that in. You know, I've been thinking about it, and you go ahead and design something. Now, I have spacers. Of course, you know, I do like the spacers. They're 5/8 thick is what you're going to need for them. So you're going to need a 5/8 thick, and then a board, and then another 5/8 thick board, and then one more 5/8 thick, just like that right there. Okay, and then we're going to need 2 boards. Now I got this written down already where we're going to put them. One on this side, and then you're going to need one on this side here. And then just go ahead and screw them down with the 2.5 inch screws. Now you can glue these, which I probably will after I get done doing this video, because I'm gonna just show you, just stick it together, then I'm gonna tear it apart later. I like staining it without it being together. That's what I'm trying to get at. And like I said, this is really simple to do. And then just use your 2.5 inch screws, and then pre-drill everything. It always seems to, things seem to work a little bit better. It's a lot easier to put your screw down in the wood when you pre-drill your projects. Now, these 2 here, I'll do the front and the back, or I'll do these 2 here first, and I'll show you something. You want to try to keep that square. Okay, let me get one on this side. Okay, let me go ahead and get the 4 more here. That'll finish everything up here. Put in the corner. Okay, now I cut the little legs. There's 4 of these, okay, and they're 2.5 by 2.5. Of course, the 1.5 inches is the size board is when I cut one of these. And I went ahead and pre-drilled, put a hole right here in the center of it. Now on this piece here, I put the drill, the counter sunk the holes on the side a little bit. So when I put this, it's going to be more into the center, so I don't drive this screw down on top of these ones here. And I did that with all of them, so I can take these out. Okay, that's it for the little stand. Real simple to make. Make them out 2x4s. Maybe run a sander over a little bit and clean it up. Cut the edges down a little bit. I like I was cutting the edges down a little bit on it. And then of course I'm going to take mine back apart. I'm going to stain it. So if you're going to stain or paint, it's always good to do, because you know it's a little hard to get in between these cracks right here. You know, the separations. And with this thing being off, you know, all apart, you can put it back together really easy. Because it's just a few boards here and there. Let me go ahead and show you what it looks like with a plan on it. So we're going to move this off to the side here. And this is the one we showed you before that we have. And then I got some plants here. I'm just going to throw some plants on top of it. And there you go. You can make something like this yourself and maybe give it out to a gift for somebody. You know, somebody really love that as a really nice gesture. Put it on your porch or put it inside your house or whatever. Just make sure you take those screws on the bottom down here. Make sure you countersink them up in there far enough that they're not going to scratch on the floor. And you can also buy rubber legs, felt legs. You can get them in Lowe's or Home Depot. And they got sticky on one side and they're like a felt on the other side. So if you want to put those on the bottom up because you're going to put it on a hardwood floor, that's a great thing to do. And to keep from damaging your floor. So, okay, there you go. Easy woodworking project for today. I hope you enjoyed it. So, you guys have a great day, and thanks for watching.